Hey everyone, today's episode is for every engineer who's ever wondered, why am I doing this? Engineering isn't just about formulas and tests. It's a way of thinking, a way to make the world better. But when we're busy working hard, we often forget the big picture. Today, let's find that purpose again by looking at the lives of India's most important mechanical engineers. These amazing people didn't just build machines, they built the country. Their stories are about having a vision, never giving up, and how engineering can change lives. Let's start this journey of inspiration and find the heart of engineering together. When you think of someone inspiring, one name stands out. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Born in Rameswaram in 1931, he showed that what you imagine, not your situation, decides your future. He started in physics, then found his true calling in aeronautical engineering, and soon in the sky. At ISRO, he led India's first satellite launch vehicle, putting us on the world map for space. At DRDO, he was the main person behind the integrated guided missile program, Agni, Prithvi, Akash, which show India's strength. But Dr. Kalam was more than a scientist. He was a thinker, a guide, and a dreamer. His books, like Wings of Fire, are like guides for living with a purpose. He told us, dream, dream, dream. Dreams turn into thoughts and thoughts lead to action. He believed engineers should build not just machines but a better world. His humor reminded us, mechanical engineers can fix everything except their own heart. Dr. Kalam's legacy, big dreams, hard work and kindness, proof that anyone can reach for the stars. He showed us that true engineering mixes science, spirit and helping others. Next, meet Dr. V.S. Arunakalam, the person who helped India become independent in defense technology. Born in 1935, he was an expert in material science, the main part of every great machine. As the scientific advisor to the defense minister, he led India's effort to create its own technology, long before Atmanirbharta was a popular word. He connected the lab to the battlefield, making special metals and materials for tanks, jets and missiles. His work helped projects like the light combat aircraft and missile programs. Dr. Arunachalam's main idea, stay close to science and technology, and you will never fail. He proved that mechanical engineers can shape a country's plans and future. His legacy tells us to stay curious, become experts, and believe in the power of research and development. He showed that real engineering leadership means building a country's strength from the ground up. His story teaches us how to turn knowledge into powerful strategies. Every great air force has its special plane. For India, it's the Tejas, and Dr. Kota Harinarayana is the man behind it. Born in 1943, he became a master of mechanical and aerospace engineering at India's best schools. As the main person for the light combat aircraft program, he faced doubts from around the world and bans on technology. Against all odds, he brought together hundreds of groups to build not just a jet, but a whole system for aircraft. The Tejas is amazing, light, fast, and a huge win for Indian engineering. Dr. Harinarayana's vision. Building Tejas was about building trust in Indian engineering. He proved that with a vision, teamwork, and belief, Indian engineers can achieve world-class excellence. His story is about leadership, putting things together, and being brave enough to chase impossible dreams. He showed that the biggest projects need both smart technical skills and the heart to inspire teams. Tejas is more than a jet, it's a sign of what Indian engineers can do together. Dr. A. Sivathanu Pillai, the father of BrahMos, took India's missile program to new heights. Born in 1947, he mixed mechanical engineering with smart planning and managing projects. As CEO of BrahMos Aerospace, he led a special partnership between India and Russia to create the world's fastest supersonic cruise missile. BrahMos is an amazing engineering feat. Flying at Mach 3, it handles huge heat and pressure. Dr. Pillai's team mastered special engines, guidance, and advanced materials to deliver a world-beating weapon. His message? We can work on super-fast speeds and show our ability to the world. He believed in big goals and exploring new areas. His books, The Path Unexplored and Thoughts for Change, inspire engineers to lead and create new things. Dr. Pillai's legacy is about teamwork, working with other countries, and the power of Indian engineering on the world stage. He showed that great engineering is about building amazing teams. Brahmos proves that Indian innovation can set world standards. He inspires us to aim higher, together. Dr. R. Mashelkar's journey, from Mumbai's poor areas to a global science leader, is a story of courage and vision. An expert in how liquids flow and in plastics, he changed CSR into a place full of new ideas. He fought for intellectual property rights and came up with Gandhian engineering, making more from less for more people. His idea, new ideas, must include everyone, be affordable and easy to get. His work led to cheap water filters, medical devices, and basic solutions for millions. Dr. Mashelkar's main idea, someone who creates new things is one who doesn't know it can't be done. He taught India to value knowledge and use it to help society. His books, Reinventing India and Gandhian Engineering, are must-reads for every engineer. He proved that the most powerful new ideas are often the kindest. Dr. Mashelkar's legacy, engineering for people. Behind every great engineer is a great teacher like Professor M.S. Ananth. Born in 1945, he became an expert in how heat and energy work and led IIT Madras as its director. His research on how different states of matter balance laid the groundwork for countless technologies. As a leader in academics, he encouraged new ideas, working with industries, and freedom in learning. Professor Ananth's idea. Education is about inspiring new ideas and thinking critically. His true legacy is the generations of engineers he guided, who are now solving problems all over the world. He showed that academic leadership shapes the future of engineering. Professor Ananth represents the quiet power behind India's rise in technology. To Dr. S.P. Sukhatma, a pioneer in solar energy and author of India's main book on heat transfer. An IIT Bombay and MIT graduate, he made difficult ideas easy to understand for generations of engineers. As director of IIT Bombay, he set new high standards for academic excellence. He supported solar energy long before it was popular, building India's research facilities. Dr. Sukhatma's belief, understanding how heat moves is key to solving energy problems. He showed how basic engineering can tackle big global challenges. His legacy is a cleaner, greener, and more lasting future. He taught us to use engineering for the good of the planet. Dr. B.N. Suresh, a strong supporter of ISRO and a master of rocket science. Born in 1943, he helped develop the PSLV and GSLV, India's main rockets for launching things. His knowledge in how rockets launch and mechanical systems made space travel reliable and safe. As director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, he led important work in technology for reusable rockets. Dr. Suresh connected basic mechanical ideas with advanced space technology. His idea? See challenges as chances, not roadblocks. He showed that engineering is about never giving up and having a vision. Every ISRO launch carries his legacy. Dr. Suresh proved mechanical engineers are the backbone of exploring space. He inspires us to reach for the stars. We've seen how these great people combined knowledge, spirit, and service to shape India. They solved national problems, designed the future, and passed the torch to us. Today's challenges, like climate change, energy, and healthcare, are huge, but so is our ability. Remember, your late-night studies and projects are steps towards solving tomorrow's problems. Find your purpose, find your why, dream big, work with honesty, and use your power to build a better world. The journey of Indian engineering continues, with you. Your story as a great engineer begins now.